Today we are exploring and talking about the long forgotten history of Hooghly Imambara, situated on the banks of Ganga. With tension and panic rising within, we thought, why would such an important part of our history be permanently erased from our memories because of our utter negligence? Hooghly Imambara is a Shia Muslim congregation hall and mosque in Hooghly, West Bengal, India. The construction of the building was started by Muhammad Mohsin in 1841 and completed in 1861. The building is a two-story structure with a tall clock tower over entrance gate. The mosque has intricate design and text from Quran engraved on the wall. The interior of the mosque is decorated with marbles, candles and hanging lanterns. Holy Imambara is famous for its wanted clock. It is at the middle of the twin towers constructed on the doorway of the main entrance. Each tower having a height of approximately 150 feet takes 152 steps to reach its top. The clock has two dials with three bells having weight 80 mds, 40 mds and 30 mds. Smaller bells ring at the interval of 15 minutes and bigger bells rings to signify 1 hour. The clock requires two people to wind it for half an hour of each week, with a key weighing 20 kg. It was bought for rupees 11,721 in 1852 by Syed Karamat Ali from the manufacturer. Mughal Imambara was built in the late 18th century by Haji Muhammad Mohsin, a wealthy merchant and philanthropist. He was a patron of arts and culture and commissioned the construction of the building as a place of worship for local Muslim community. The construction of the building took several years and the final result was a magnificent structure that combined Islamic and Hindu architectural styles. The Hooghly Imambara is not only significant as a place of worship for Muslims but also as a cultural landmark. The building has been the site of many cultural events and festivals such as the annual URS festivals, which is held in honor of Sufi saint Hazrat Imam Raza. The building has also been a witness to many significant events in history of India, including the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857 when it served as a shelter for revolutionaries. The Hooghly Imambara is an important symbol of unity and harmony between different communities in India. It has been a place of worship for Muslims for over 2 centuries, but it is also visited by people of other faiths. In conclusion, the Hooghly Imambara is a remarkable monument that is deeply ingrained in the history and culture of India. Its unique architecture and rich cultural heritage make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in exploring the diverse and fascinating history of our country. It is a symbol of unity and tolerance between different communities and a past testament to the enduring legacy of the past. Our motive was to bring into limelight the history of the Imambara, the story behind its construction. Why did such an eminent personality go missing in history despite of all its contributions, but also the sheer beauty of the monument. So Hooghly Imambara is not just to be known or remembered because of its unknown history, but also because of its beautiful architecture. This is Prachi Sao signing off. Thank you for joining us on our journey of exploring the Hooghly Imambara.